I ended up pretty much, skipping, pretty much waiting till around 9 a.m. I tried to buy it multiple times. I called this setup the VWAP Bounce area. What is it called? VWAP Bounce after 9:30. You can see so here that I do have a strategy called VWAP Bounce after the open. I have around 20 minutes talking about that strategy in my course. And that's exactly what I did. I tried to buy it around VWAP, but that didn't happen. I tried to get some fills in there around 110 over there, but I couldn't get any fills. I ended up buying it at 110, 115. We hit resistance. I got out, and then I saw it, come back down to VWAP once again, and then we had this huge pop. And then I ended up just buying the Trendline breakout. This is another strategy that I have. This is, what is it called? Intraday breakout patterns and the Trendline wedge breakout right here. I do have a Trendline breakout right here and then a wedge breakout right here. So I pretty much used the Trendline and the wedge breakout strategy. And I did go long there around 120 and the stock spiked up to 180. I ended up selling it at around 150. I pocketed 20% on a huge size, and I could have pocketed even more. Sadly, due to the fact that we've been in a slow market, I was pretty quick to take these 20% and move on. Sadly, this ticker has went a little bit higher than I expected. So, you have to pretty much let winners ride when we have this big first mover and the one that you're sized in on. Obviously I stick to my plan to sell when I'm up more than 20%. And this ticker did perform a little much better, but that's just the way it goes. We don't know when the first mover is going to come. But in this situation, the first mover has performed relatively amazing. So we buy over here. I sell it over here. I could have kept a little bit more, but we had a fake out breakout right here. And that kind of scared me out. And we got up to 180. EVTV, the news on it was, they bought some battery, some Nvidia chips, in which these chips were pretty much I don't know, they're valued at 2 billion or something. So there's a big thing going on in the United States right now. You have Google, Amazon, and ChatGPT. Microsoft, they're buying, data centers around the USA, and they're actually even buying, power plants to pretty much, sustain, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or these major, AI trading platform, AI questioning, and that's the reason why this company went up, because they were buying 200 Nvidia GPUs to enforce their AI model, and that's the reason why this stock went up. And soon enough, EVTV, we actually went up to $3 at one point from 120. So this proves how strong small caps can get. The next ticker I pretty much bought was on Tuesday, which was XAIR. The ticker that I did buy, so pretty much we gap up over here. I draw my lines. We had a line of 256. The place where I did try to buy was around 160 over here.